Marami tayong solusyon diyan kasi again, meron tayong mga ka-partner na financial providers, no? Like may mga mutual funds. Excited nga kami dun sa kinita ng PDF namin. Meron din tayong investment dito na hindi nagne-negative, 'di ba? Tapos maganda, may emergency fund ka. Solusyon sa utang mo, business, 'di ba? IMG business. Ito, murang insurance. 35 years old ka, 1 million coverage, 8,000 plus lang, 'di ba? Per year ang premium mo. Healthcare mo, 'di ba? Meron din dito, and of course, yung business opportunity. Ayan. So again, anong gusto natin? Enjoy now, suffer later, no? Dependent on others, no savings, no long-term healthcare, no? Medyo mahirap 'to. So ang gusto natin maging solid, no? Dapat mag-take action tayo now. Enjoy later, money working for you, big investment, long-term healthcare. Ayan, masarap talaga maging ganito pagtanda, no? Kaysa, no? Yung ganito. 'Di ba? So make sure to get what you want, whatever it takes. If you cannot get what you want, you will end up getting the things you don't want. And you won't like it. In life, you have a choice. Pero pag wala ka daw fund, you don't have a choice. Tama ba? 'Di ba? So yun lang din yung napakinggan ko noong 2012 eh. Oo nga no, gusto kong mag-travel. Pero kung wala akong fund, hindi ako makakapag-travel. May choice naman ako, kaya lang no choice talaga kung wala talagang pera.